How to manage watch history on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, go to the Me section by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and look for the history option under your profile settings, then tap on it. Here you will see a list of all the videos you have watched on Bilibili. You can scroll through your history to revisit any video you want. To manage your watch history, you have the option to delete individual videos by tapping the three dots next to the video and selecting Delete option. Managing your watch history helps you keep your Bilibili experience organized and keeps recommendation relevant to your interest. Now you know how to manage your watch history on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.